Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Networking E10. In the previous videos, we have understood about networking and TCP IP networking model. Today, we are going to talk about data encapsulation and how it works with the TCP IP model. To understand it better, I have taken an analogy of a capsule. In a capsule, there are two consumable shells put together to encapsulate the actual medication. Likewise, we can consider the data as actual medication and the two consumable shells as header and trailer respectively. Header identifies where the packet begins and what kind of information it carries. Trailer, on the other hand, helps to identify the end of the packet. Now that we have understood data encapsulation, let's see how this concept works with TCP IP network model. Let's consider a sender machine, or a transmitting host or laptop, which intends to send some data to another receiving laptop or receiving machine. Let's say the data to be sent is some text like, "Hello there." As you already know, there are 4 layers in TCP IP. Let's get this data across the network to the receiving laptop or device. There are basically 5 steps which are involved to get the job done. The first step being encapsulation of the user data, "Hello there," with application layer header or protocol, HTTP in this case. This happens at layer 4. We will understand HTTP protocol in the later videos. Now we have combination of HTTP header plus the user data. This combination is passed on to layer 3 below and then prefixed with TCP header or protocol. TCP, also known as Transmission Control Protocol, is a layer 3 protocol. The other protocol, which is popularly used at layer 3, is User Datagram Protocol, also known as UDP. The combination of the transport layer protocol plus HTTP protocol plus user data is called a data segment. This segment is passed on below to layer 2 and further encapsulated or prefixed with another layer 2 protocol known as IP. IP protocol is used at the internet layer, or also known as layer 2 protocol. The combination of the IP protocol plus transport layer protocol plus HTTP protocol plus user data is called a packet. This packet is further passed on to layer 1 or network access layer of the TCP IP protocol suite. Here, the received packet is further encapsulated with a header and trailer respectively. This is called a frame. This final frame, or digital bits of ones and zeros, are further encoded as electrical signals or optical signals or radio signals and transmitted over the physical transmission medium, which could be a wired medium or wireless medium. Now, the data has left the transmitting device. Now let's see what happens on the receiving device. The data being sent as electrical signals or optical signals or radio signals is now received on the receiving device and then translated back to digital bits of ones and zero S. What we now have is a stream of ones and zeros in the form of a data frame. The header and trailer are then passed and later decapsulated from the frame. The portion of the remaining data frame is then submitted to the layer above. The data received at internet layer is nothing but a packet. Once the IP header is examined, it is decapsulated, and the remaining portion of the packet is passed to the transport layer above in the form of a segment. Then, the TCP header is passed and decapsulated from the remaining segment and then passed onto the layer above. Finally, data has reached the application layer of the receiving device. The last step which occurs here is decapsulation of the HTTP header, thereby leaving the user data to be viewed by the receiving user or device. Hope this video clarifies data encapsulation and decapsulation process in the TCP IP protocol suite. This concept lays the foundation for future videos. Please view the video once again if you think you need to understand this concept better. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video.